A is for alligator. B is for bear. C is for cat. D is for dolphin. E is for elephant. F is for flamingo. G is for giraffe. H is for hippopotamus. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for moose. N is for nymph. O is for ostrich. P is for penguin. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. S is for snake. T is for toucan. U is for urchin. V is for vulture. W is for walrus. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for yak. And Z is for zebra.